Hey girl, hey, it's Kardashian, and welcome back to my channel. I was about to say, welcome back to my makeup tutorial. Welcome back to my channel, girls. I have been gone for a while, but I'm back now. If you guys would love to see how I did this really pretty gold look, I got a Poppin highlight as usual, come through highlighter, and this gorgeous nude lip, then please stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys, I'm literally so happy to be back filming. Like, I haven't filmed a video in like 2 to 3 months, so it's really good to be back. You know, I look cute and I haven't even done anything yet, but y'all, I just turned on the camera and so I just got excited. Like, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like a gold look, nude lip. I'm gonna use a lot of new products. It's gonna be a high-end makeup tutorial, which, I mean, we just gonna get a little bougie today, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Veil Primer today because I honestly haven't used this in forever, and this is one of my favorite primers of all time. And I haven't used it in forever because your girl is like $60. Ain't nobody got time to keep repurchasing this, okay? So, yeah. Alright, girls, so for eyeshadow primer, I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the color 3.0, and I'm just gonna blend that out. For the transition color that's going all over the lid, we're taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills World Traveler palette, and I'm going to use the color Soft Peach. But before I do that, I am going to set that concealer in place with some Laura Mercier powder so that it doesn't go anywhere. Going back into the same palette for the crease color, I am taking that orangey brownish shade called Morocco. Putting down a black base before you put down a pigment always makes the pigment pop more. So I'm taking the Tarte's Black Gel Liner and putting that down as my base. For the pigment that we're going to use, it's coming from Tarte as well, and it's in the color Park Ave Princess. Before I go in with the pigment, I wanted to darken up the outer corners, so I mixed a little bit of fudge and soft peach from the same palette, just so it won't be too dark. And before I apply the pigment to get that tacky base, I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Glue. Alright, so the eyes are done for now. They came out actually really, really cute. I am going to go in with the Becca foundation that I found at Marshall's, you guys. This is in the color Tan, and it's the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Don't know if it's my color. I tried it on the store, and y'all know how that goes. The concealer is actually the Cover FX Custom Cover Drop. So this is what the foundation looks like. It comes with a dropper, so I'm gonna just make sure my sponge is ready. I'm using the new, well, it's not new, but it's new to me, the Rihanna Fenty sponge. This is one of the things I got on Black Friday. My thoughts so far, because I have used it once, it's cool or whatever. Like, it makes my foundation go on smooth and everything like that. It's just a little small for my taste. Beauty Blender is a little bit bigger. And yeah, I guess this shirt is doomed. I'm gonna try to scrub it as soon as I'm finished with this video because I actually really like this shirt. But whatever. The custom cover drops I'm gonna use for concealer is in G50. To help blend in the concealer better, I'm just taking some rose water and spraying my concealer brush. And then after that, I am going to set the concealer in place with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. To bronze the face, I am taking my Tarte Makeup Shayla contour kit and just using the darkest color. And then I'm also going to take some more translucent powder and clean up where I contoured. Going back into the palette, I'm taking Morocco and Fudge and blending those two together on my lower lash line. I'm then going to go in with the Benefit mascara called They're Real and coat my lashes for falsies. And to set everything in place and to clear off this powder, I am going to use my all-nighter setting spray. Okay, so I want to put on this little kimono to hide the stain of the foundation. Your girl was looking real tacky. But to finish the look, because my eyes are really gold, I wanted to keep that and use a like deep gold highlighter. So I'm going to use my Inglot loose highlighter. Oof. Oof, child. Come through, highlighter. Come through, honey. These are my La Kardashian lashes in 1995, by the way. This is the Aaliyah and MAC collection, and these are the only two things that I got from the collection, actually. I got the nude lipstick, the nude matte lipstick in the color Try Again. This is really pretty, like, gray beige matte nude. And then I'm a sucker for gloss, and I love me a good nude gloss, so I got this really pretty, it's like a nude, a really light, like white nude gloss. Of course, as always, I'm going to line my lips, and I think I'm also going to add a little black eyeliner on the lower lash line, and I'm also going to do some lower lash mascara too. And then that'll complete today's look, so let's finish. Already set my makeup. I'm gonna just refreshen my skin with some of this rose water. Ugh, literally, I love this stuff. I need to just buy hella bottles. That is all for today's look, girls. Like, are you obsessed like I'm obsessed? Let me move this mirror. Again, I am back. Thank you. Round of applause. You guys like my nails? I don't know if you can see them, but they're super cute. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys love the way this makeup look came out. I am obsessed with it as always. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. Go watch another video. Watch the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you girls soon in a new one. Bye, girls.